Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be saying something very important to my Nigerian people, or maybe if you're also from Africa, you can gain some knowledge from what I'm about to say. Now, many times I've heard a lot of people say this to people that are from Nigeria that went to school. You're a graduate, you have a B.Sc, you have an HND, or you have a master's degree. That, oh, when you come to Italy, your degree, your certificate is of no value. When I came, I heard that statement a lot of time. Now, before I continue this my video, please, I want you to like this video. Subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. And of course, if this is your first time or seeing my beautiful face, welcome to the channel. I talk about anything that has to do with Italy, coming to study, coming through the family reunion route. However, anything that is about Italy, I talk about it on this channel. So let me continue the video that I was talking about. So many times people say these things, that your certificate from Nigeria is of no value in Italy. That is not entirely true. Now, if you have a university degree from Nigeria, B.Sc, HND, or a master's degree, if you're already living here, you have your residence here, now that certificate can be of value to you. For example, if you want to do Corso di Os, instead of you to go through Superiore for 3 years, please, this is for only Lombardia region. For other regions, you can use Scuola Media. But if you live in Lombardia region and you want to do Corso di Os, instead of you doing 3 years Superiore, that is in secondary school, you can actually use your degree from Nigeria to do that course with either a Scuola Media or a B.Uno certificate. I did Scuola Media. Scuola Media is just 1 year. You understand me? So what do you need to do? Take your documents, get your transcripts from your university degree certificate, your WAEC certificate. They don't accept NECO. Your WAEC certificate, put them together. Take them to Abuja for authentication, then take them to the embassy for legalization and request a declaration of value. Now, what is a declaration of value? That declaration of value is like a certificate that will show, okay, they will analyze everything you've done and then tell you what its values in Italy, what it matches in Italy, what it can do for you here in Italy. So, good. For example, you have a B.Sc in Nigeria, they've gone through it, they've seen it, or a professional degree, maybe you read medicine, you read optometry, you read any professional course, they will value it and say, oh, this one in Italy, it can allow you access a master's degree. Oh, it can allow, is equal to a diploma. But at least it's of benefit when it comes here. You understand me? So please don't just abandon your certificates in Nigeria and say, oh, it's not value here. Please get them and go through the process, bring them here with you, and then ask questions. You will definitely find something to do with it. For example, now Corso di Os, you can use it in Lombardia region, but you must have it with a Scuola Media or a B.Uno. So you see, instead of you to go 3 years in Superiore, your certificate from Nigeria can help you access this Corso di Os. And of course, it can help you access any other thing that you want to do. You can further to do masters with your degree from Nigeria. Okay, so guys, if you have any question concerning this thing that I have shared, please ask me questions in the comment section. You can contact me on my IG page, you can contact me on Facebook page. I actually respond better on Facebook page. So guys, see you in my next video. Ciao.